Imaginal has connotations of imagination, about the process, if you like, of creating new ideas, process of moving to something new, from a place where it doesn't exist yet. Now, in biology, the term is applied to imaginal cells, and the amazing science behind imaginal cells is, I think, really about where we get the inspiration for the work that we do together. Now, you know, we all grow up, we all know about the metamorphosis of the butterfly. We know how the caterpillar eats and eats and eats and gets really, really fat, and then makes itself a chrysalis, and goes in the chrysalis, and then we know the end result, it transforms into a butterfly. But what is actually happening in that process? The really astonishing thing, and this is an amazing metaphor for what we do, I think. The really amazing thing is that in the caterpillar, there is no structural similarity. No structural similarity at all between a caterpillar and a butterfly. Inside the caterpillar, as it goes into the chrysalis, there are cells, very small cells called imaginal cells, that the scientists call imaginal cells. And these cells, just a few of them around inside the caterpillar, are seen as a threat to the caterpillar's immune system. So the caterpillar's immune system tries to attack them, but they do survive. And when it goes into the chrysalis, something happens to the caterpillar. Those imaginal cells start to group into clusters, and they start to become bigger, and the caterpillar itself goes into something that we call goop. So it goes into goop, dissolves, becomes a kind of yuck, until those imaginal cells can group, become bigger, become connected and interconnected to form the butterfly. They send messages to each other, they connect with each other until those single cells become a multi-cell organism and a butterfly is born. Now this is a fabulous story, and this is about what we, I think, are here to do. It is about surviving, because those imaginal cells survive all the liquidation of the caterpillar. They are the ones that are there that create the new life, the new form. And that is, I think, the image really for our process. So what that means is, where are we when we're working with our clients? Where are we when we're working with our trainees, or in those different stages of our life? What I think we are is we're in the goop. We're in that space where sometimes everything is falling apart before we can become the next stage of who we are. So I think that is an inspirational story. I'd like to move to, there's the next.